Ayan, nasagot na nila, bro. Ito, sabi ni Bro Adrian, good to hear that day after they tried it, they decided to say. So it only shows that they saw the benefits. So let's go to the benefits, no? Sabi niyo kanina, yun nga, na parang nagtatry sila, nag-stay sila. Let's discuss about success story. Like, can we discuss a success story? Paano ba na-transform? Let's discuss about that. Meron ba tayong success story na we can share?
Yeah, of course, marami na. So, tatawagin ba natin si Shine o hindi pa?
Meow, meow.
Yeah. Okay. Yung isa sa malapit sa heart ko is yung kanina lang merong bata na nagtanong about dun sa binasa niya about I think science yun. Kasi yung materials talaga, it will always point you back to the creator. Kasi yeah, it could yeah, beautiful world, beautiful earth, beautiful mountains and trees. Pero giving back dun sa creator, sino ba yung gumawa nun, and why God is delighted na ginawa niya yun, ginawa niya yung mga bagay around us for our benefits as well.